magic unicorn.
Hello little unicorns, it's Chilipili. Today we are going to draw super cool Mr. Octopus. Are you guys ready to draw with me? First let's draw a big oval like this, kind of like an egg for the Mr. Octopus body. Let's add 8 tentacles to Mr. Octopus because all octopus have 8. I love drawing, it's so fun to draw. Try to draw with me. Draw some wiggly, swiggly lines like this come out from bottom of the body. Can you count the tentacles we draw? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth one we are drawing. And 3 more to go. The extra line you are seeing under the tentacles with small oval shapes are called suction cups. That's right, octopus use those suction cups to grab onto things, like our hands. Now let's draw Mr. Octopus's cute eyes and a big happy mouth. Don't worry if your octopus is not perfect because all octopus are unique just like you are. Just have fun drawing and coloring. Six, 7, 8. Wow, 8 tentacles. Do you want to know a fun fact about the octopus? All octopuses are super smart. They can even solve puzzles. That's wonderful, right? Some spots like this for extra details. Let's color it. Okay, octopuses comes in all shapes, sizes and colors. I'm coloring Mr. Octopus with purple and pink. But in Magic Unicorn Art, you can choose any color you want. Just have fun coloring. Did you know octopuses have 3 hearts? Well, we have only one.
Amazing!
I love drawing and coloring the octopus with you guys. Hope you guys loved it. Please subscribe to my channel.